The course review process begins with an institution submitting a course review application. UM does not review courses. We provide support to the review team. We will provide guidance as far as how the standard should be applied and what the review team can look for. And then we allow the review team to make those decisions. Once the course review application is approved, the course representative has access to the course worksheet. So the course worksheet includes information about the course that will help guide the review team during the course review. We also select the review team. We always start with a subject matter expert and find someone who has either taught the same course or a similar course. And then we look for a chair and an external reviewer.
And what happens during a review is that the team will apply the standards to the parts of the course that are relevant to the specific review standard they're looking at. They will provide evidence on their reviewer worksheet that indicates how that reviewer feels a course has met or has not yet met a particular specific review standard.
We also troubleshoot any issues involved in the course review along the way. And we close and certify every review individually and manually, and we issue the stipends to the review team.
And the review process, all pieces of that will improve the course, allow the instructor to be able to spend more time interacting with the students and the content. Quality assurance is and should be a high priority for institutions.